Good morning, children. I am Mohana Ravi, your computer teacher. Hope you all are well and fine, safe at home. Be safe, wear your mask while coming out. Now, today in this session, we are going to see our second lesson. Okay, we are going to see our second lesson in our computer book. Lesson name is Data and its types. Okay, how many types of data are there in the computer, that we are going to see. Type means what are all the inputs, types of inputs we have seen, like a keyboard, mouse and all that, those are different. Okay, what are all the types of letters we can type in the computer, that is okay. Data and types of data we are going to see. Okay, data means what and all we are typing through keyboard is called as data. Okay, it's called as data. And the types, what are all the types of data we can type through through keyboard is what we are going to see in this lesson. Okay kids, now we'll move on. See, first introduction. What information do you get from a calendar? If you take a calendar, okay, what are all the informations you get? You can see that month name. Okay, what are all the month? July is the month. Then this day, year 2011 is a year. Then the days name. Okay, names of the days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That. Then the dates 1 2 3 4 up to 30 or 31 we see. Okay, so these are all the informations we see in the calendar. Okay, we see in the calendar. These are all the types of data. Okay, these are the types of data. Okay, now if you see, in this page, what information do you get from a calendar? The calendar gives information of days, dates, months and years. These informations are called as data. Okay, these informations are called as data. Data are the collection of informations given to a computer. Computer data are of three types. Computer data are of three types. Okay, what are all the types we will see further. Okay, first you should know what is data. Data is nothing but what we are typing, what and all we type in the keyboard, that is data. Okay, that is data. And there are three types of data we can type. There are three types. We will see what all they. See, alphabetic data. Okay, alphabetic data. Then numeric data, alphanumeric data. The types of data are alphabetic data, numeric data, alphanumeric data. Okay, alphabetic data. What is alphabetic data? Means we can type alphabets A, B, C, D up to Z. What are all the alphabets are there? We can use those alphabets. We can type that alphabets. Okay, numeric data. What is numeric data? Numeric means you can type numbers. Okay, very simple. You can type numbers. Okay, alphanumeric data. What is alphanumeric data? Alphanumeric data is nothing but, you can see here in the calendar. See here, July 2011. Okay, July 2011. See, alphanumeric. Alphabets also there and the numbers also there. This is alphabet and this is number. Okay, both are there. So this is alphanumeric. Okay, alphanumeric means alpha and alphabetic and number both together will come. That is alphanumeric. Okay, now we will move on to the next section. So we learned the three types of data. What are all they? I told you alphabetic data, numeric data, alphanumeric data. Okay, alphabetic data, numeric data, alphanumeric data. Okay, for example, if I want to type apple, A-P-P-L-E, all are alphabets. All are alphabets. Okay, there is no number at all. Okay, alphabet ALPHABETIC, alphabetic data. Okay, only alphabets we can type is alphabetic data. Okay, understand? What is a numeric data? Numeric means if I ask you, suppose how many apples you ate in the morning, you can say I ate 1 apple or I ate 2 apple. So what are all the numbers you type? 1, 2, 3 or numeric data. Okay, what is alphanumeric data? Alphanumeric is nothing but 2 apple, number 2 apple, APPLE apple. Like that you are typing the number along with the alphabet is alphanumeric data. Okay, so if you type apple, that is alphabetic data. If you type the number of apple you ate, that is numeric data. If you type the complete number and alphabet both together, then it becomes alphanumeric data. Okay kids, now I think I have explained clearly. Now we will move on in-depth knowledge of gaining alphabetic data. Okay, see in here, I'm reading this. These are the data that consist only alphabets. If you have seen in this slide, see this Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday highlighted here. Okay, highlighted here. You can see all are only alphabets. Sunday, S-U-N, Sunday is only alphabet. There is no numbers at all. The same way Monday, M-O-N, Monday. The same way T-U-E, Tuesday. The same way W-E-D, Wednesday. The same way THU, Thursday. The same way FRI, Friday. The same way SAT, Saturday. All are alphabets only. There is no numbers at all. There is no number. Only alphabets are there. Okay, only alphabets are there. So it is called alphabets, alphabetic data. Now you read the example. The days in the calendar are alphabetic data. The days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday are all days of a week. Okay, these days are alphabetic data. Okay, okay. Now what is your name? If I am asking you what is your name, you will write I am C7. Will you write C7 or not 7? No, right? So these cannot be our name. Our name will be alphabetic data. Only alphabetic data. Okay, whatever your name. Okay, Pinky, Mala, Sheila, whatever. Okay, all are alphabets only will come. So alphabetic data means only the alphabets can be used. Okay, then numeric data. What is numeric data? Numeric data consists of only numbers. Numeric data consists of only numbers. Only numbers will be there in the data. Okay, if you see in the calendar, okay, if you see in the calendar, only 1, 2, 3 up to 31 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Either up to 30 or 31. These are all numbers in the calendar. Only the numbers will be there. Okay, example, the dates in calendar are numeric data. The dates in the calendar are numeric data. For example, if I ask you what is your age, if I ask you what is your age, you may tell I am 6 years old. I am 6 years old. The number 6 is a numeric data. Okay, the number 6 is a numeric data. The number 6 is a numeric data. What is your age? Number 6. Okay, number 6. What is number 6? Your age. Your age is a number. So this is an example for numeric data. Okay, then you see here alphanumeric data. What is alphanumeric data? You can see here alphanumeric data consists of both alphabets and numbers. Okay, both alphabets and numbers both will be there. For example, if you see here July 2004, okay, July 2004, which is highlighted under the oval. Okay, if you see July, JULY are alphabets. 2004, 2004 are all numbers. Okay, both alphabets and numbers both are there, isn't it? Both alphabets and numbers both are there. So this is alphanumeric. Okay, this is alphanumeric. Now we shall read here. Alphanumeric data consists of both alphabets and numbers. Example, the month and the year in the calendar are alphanumeric data. July 2004 is an alphanumeric data. Okay. Now we will move on to next slide. Here there is one more example you can see. What is the name of this chocolate? What is the name of this chocolate? This is a 5-star chocolate. Okay, 5-star chocolate. You can see a number 5. Okay, following that STAR alphabets. Okay, is an alphanumeric data. This is also an example for alphanumeric data. Okay, so these are all the example. July 2004 and 5-star, both are the example for alphanumeric data. I think now you would have understood what are all the data present in the lesson in the computer. First one is alphabetic, second one is numeric, third one is alphanumeric. For alphabetic, we have seen the days on the calendar and name of a person. Both are the example for alphabetic. And for numeric, we have seen the dates of the calendar and the age of a person. Both are the example of numeric. Okay, for alphanumeric, we have seen July 2004 and 5-star. Both are the example for alphanumeric. Okay, now you see here, do you know? Okay, date are the inputs given to a computer for further process. Okay, sorry, data are the input given to a computer for further process. Okay, data means what they are coming to say is data what you are giving, what you are typing in the computer, okay, to a computer, this will again process. If you type 16 bar 5 bar 2004, that is what 16th day of the 5th May month 2004. Again it will process. If you ask the computer to give in a certain numeric or alphanumeric. If it is alphanumeric, the middle 5 alone, 5th month alone will become May. Okay, so or if you wanted the date to be in complete date method, then everything will be in numeric 16/5/2004. If it is alphanumeric, 16/MAY May/2004. Okay, like this only will be. Okay, kids, now in the lesson, I think we have understood very clearly about the types of data. The very most important topic in the lesson taught is only this alphabetic data, numeric data, alphanumeric data. Okay, I hope you all would have understood this lesson. Okay, now I want to tell you a thing. You all have to write the midterm test and submit. Okay. Whom and all have not submitted your test note, okay, you have to buy it from the store. You have to buy it first from the store. For at least the terminal examination you will be able to write. Okay, so please purchase the books and notes, okay, from the school, so that it's easy for you to teach you. Okay kids, now it's time to leave. We will meet in the next class. Okay, bye.